How to use a Target gift card online. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can use a Target gift card online, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to use a Target gift card online, all you have to do is go ahead and then basically first of all open up your browser and then just go to target.com here. Once you go to target.com, you want to make sure to sign into your account. After you sign in, all you have to do is to basically just tap the account like icon here, and then you'll find the option called gift cards option. So just tap on the gift cards button over here. Once you tap on the gift cards option over there, just tap the plus icon that you can find, and once you tap the plus icon, here you'll find card number and access number, where you can directly tap the add option over here in order to add those to your account. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then use a Target gift card online. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.